love surrounds me, holding tight through every breath. Your grace abides, guiding my steps. You're by my side. Oh Jesus, your love sustains me through every trial. You never fail me. Morning to night, you're my steady peace. In your arms, my fears release. The sun may rise, the storms may come, yet in your love my heart is calm. Through busy hours, you're my strength, carrying me through every length. Oh Jesus, your love sustains me through every trial. You never fail me. Morning to night, you're my steady peace. In your arms, my fears release. In the quiet of the night, your love shines brighter than the stars' light. When I rest, I feel your care, knowing you're always there. Oh Jesus, your love sustains me through every trial. You never fail me. Morning to night, you're my steady peace. In your arms, my fears release. So as I lay my head to sleep, your promises my soul will keep. From dawn to dusk, I'll always see the strength of your love sustain.